Hello everyone and welcome back. We have another update in our Fun and Pip challenge for this week, and we're gonna go through the trades that we were able to take and the opportunities that we weren't able to take. So starting on Monday, we had this fair value gap, but unfortunately, as you can see, price didn't return to the fair value gap within the silver bullet time frame, so we didn't take any trade on that day. Moving on to Tuesday, this is Tuesday, and as you can see, we have the silver bullet mark, and we had a fair value gap here, but unfortunately price didn't return it within the silver bullet, so there was no trade. And you can see that here it came back to the fair value gap, but at this time we weren't trading anymore. So we move on to Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday here, and that when we had our first trade, and you can see we had a fair value gap here. This it was this fair value gap. It was a tiny one, so I went for long, and you can see on the picture this was the loss because price blew through the stop loss, and we took a loss on Wednesday. So we move on to Friday. Thursday, and this was Thursday. We almost got a win, but you can see we had this. Let me see. We had this fair value gap here, and I went for long, but here instead of placing my stop loss here, I placed it above here, but it was too tight, and a spread took me out for a loss. But after that, price went into our direction, but it always took me out, so this also was a loss. So moving on to Friday. I wasn't close to my computer, so I missed this trade. We didn't have like a fair value gap here, but we had this one, and I took it, but I took it right away, putting this the entry here, and just took a 1-to-1 because it was Friday, and I didn't have a lot of time to look at the chart, so I just took a 1-to-1, so I got a win on that trade. So for this week we had 3 trades, 2 losses and 1 win. So we're gonna still be down in the account overall, but hopefully next week we're gonna be able to get some wins and hopefully close the week with a positive account. So now let's go into the Fund and Pip platform to show you how the account is looking right now. We are right now into the Fund and Pip platform, and as you can see, the account right now is sitting at 99,200, and so we are down almost, I will say almost 1% into the account right now. And next week we're gonna, and you can see down here we have the trades. If I go into the last 7 days, we have all the trades that we took. You can see here stop loss, and this was the 1-to-1. So overall profit this week was a loss of around 0.5% of the account. So currently, since we started the 30 days, so we are down like 7. This is so far the profit that we made, the losses that we incur. So far we started the account close to 1%, so $787. So stay tuned for next Friday for another update, and let's see if trading this way, like mechanically, not knowing what's going on, just see a fair value gap, take a trade, if we can really pass the propfirm challenge by doing so. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful weekend of the Labor Day. Take care.